Hi, we're the Neals from Unicoi Preserves, and today we're sharing a summertime favorite right here on the Ingles table. Crunchy, savory, and a little sweet.
That's the perfect description for our grilled romaine salad. We've already done our shopping and picked up everything we need.
So let's get cooking.
We're gonna do a twist on a summer salad today. We're gonna grill the salad. Actually grill the vegetables and the lettuce and make a vinaigrette using some grilled lemons. So what we're gonna do, I've got some beautiful colored peppers that I picked up at Ingles today. I'm gonna cut these in half, take out the core with the seeds and some of the stems.
While you're cutting the peppers, I'm just gonna slice these 2 lemons in half. Like Clark said, we're gonna grill all the vegetables, including the lemons.
I'm gonna take a purple onion. I like purple onions because cooking it on the grill is gonna caramelize some of the natural sugars that are in it. It's not gonna be too strong.
That's a beautiful onion.
Yeah.
All right, I'll hold the bag so you can put the scraps in there. My future chicken stock thanks you, Clark. Thank you.
I'm just gonna cut this in half along the equator of it. So you got 2 equal halves. I'm gonna put some olive oil on these on both sides.
While Clark is doing that, I've got a head of romaine lettuce that I've already washed. I've had it draining in the colander. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the stem end on and just cut it in half this way down the middle. You want a separate sheet tray for these today?
Yes, please.
Okie doke.
So season both sides with olive oil, salt, and pepper.
I like to choose whatever bell peppers are the most colorful. So sometimes we'll mix it up a little bit and throw an orange into the mix. It just depends.
Since we're putting olive oil on these vegetables while they go on the grill, we're not actually going to have to add much olive oil after they come off the grill to make our vinaigrette with. I'm just going to season these up with some salt and pepper. I've got our grill preheating outside. We're going to cook these direct, about 400 degrees.
You want me to flip it?
Okay.
All right, there you go. All right.
Don't sneeze. All right, so that's it for the vegetable prep. I'm going to take these out to the grill and get these going. We'll be back in a minute. We're gonna put the peppers and onions on first because they take the longest to cook. Put these lemons cut side down, and that actually sweetens the lemon. We're gonna squeeze these and make a vinaigrette out of them after we're done. We're gonna let these cook for about 10 or 15 minutes, flipping them occasionally until they've got some nice char and they softened a little bit. Then we'll cook the lettuce and the bread next. All right, we've got, I'm gonna pull these vegetables off. They've got a really nice char to them. I'm gonna pull these off. Susan, I'm gonna give this to you.
Thank you. I'll hold those for you.
Take the lettuce. I'm gonna put it cut side down on the grill. I'm gonna start toasting this bread off, and then we'll meet you back inside and show you how we put this salad together.
Clark, this looks spectacular.
Thank you. We've got all the vegetables and the bread back in from the grill. We're gonna cut it up here, put it together in a bowl, show you how we make the easy vinaigrette. Roasty char flavor is going to come through in the salad.
So I don't even think we're going to need to add any more oil, Clark. This looks very moist and delicious. Put that little baby in there. Give it one more little rough chop.
All right, so we've got our salad. I'm going to toss this with the tongs.
Put some lemon on there.
I'm going to take these lemons, and you see how much juice comes out of those when you grill them up.
Okay, I'm going to start shaving. Using a vegetable peeler, take it down the long way on the cheese. Oops, let me put some over there on their side.
There you go, I'll get out of your way.
No, I think you're good.
So you could grate this Parmesan, but this just gives it a little more presentation. So we're going to plate this around, just put these toast points.
Make a heart, look at that. Look how cute that is.
And there you have it, our grilled romaine salad. I urge you to try this as an update to a regular summertime salad.
Thanks so much for joining us here on the Ingles table.
Remember to check out the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. Until next time,
We'll see you online.